Hello friends, this is Harmeet from themang.com, and friends, this is the video number 4 from our WordPress tutorial list. So friends, in previous videos we have learned how to install WooCommerce, how to create products and how to create cross-sell and upsell products. Friends, if you are new to my video and you have not watched those videos, then I will share all the videos link in the description part, or you can check my WooCommerce tutorial playlist. There you can see all the videos that we have published earlier. So friends, in today's video I am going to explain you how you can add the shipping zone and shipping cost for your products. So friends, let's get started with the video. So friends, to add shipping zone and shipping cost, we have to navigate to WooCommerce tab and go to settings link. You have to click on this link and it will show some settings of our WooCommerce, and here you can see this is the tab of the shipping. You have to click on this tab and it will allow us to add shipping zone and shipping method. So friends, as of now we have not added any shipping zone, so you have to either click on this add shipping zone button, or you can click here also add shipping zone. So just click on this button and here you can add your zone name and zone region and shipping methods. So first of all, I am just giving a name of zone. This will not be visible to your customers, it will only be visible to you to remember how many zones you have created. So I am just creating a local zone. This is just for an example, and from here you have to select your region where you want to ship your product. Suppose I am from India, so I am just searching India, and if you are able to ship all your products in whole country, then you can just select this India. Else you can select a particular state in which you are going to ship your product. Suppose I am from Madhya Pradesh, so I am just selecting this Madhya Pradesh option, and you can remove this, and so now this product will be only shipped in Madhya Pradesh. So friends, likewise you can add more regions where you want to ship your products. Now in shipping method we have to add some shipping methods, so you have to click on the add shipping method button, and then it will open an option where we can either create a flat rate option, or we can give some different criteria for our products. Suppose if your product is more than $10, so you can give your product as a free shipping, and if your product has a less than $10 price, then you can give the shipping cost for your customers. So first of all, I am just selecting the flat rate option, and then we are going to click on the add shipping method button. So friends, our flat rate option is now enabled, and now we are going to edit it and give the amount for the shipping cost. So you can just give $2. Price of the shipping is $2 for a product, and click on the save changes button. Now friends, this flat rate will apply for all the products available in your WooCommerce or in your shopping site. So now let's check whether our flat rate option is working or not. So go on to pages section and click on all pages, and here you can see your shop page. Click on the view link, and this is my shop page. And friends, you can see I have already selected 2 products in my cart, so I am just going to check this cart and check whether my flat rate shipping option is working or not. So you can see I have selected a blue jeans whose quantity is 2 and the base price is 15, so the total price is $13 for 2 jeans, $30. And now when you scroll down, you can see that the shipping for this product is $2, so my total cost is $30. So my flat rate shipping cost is working now. Friends, now we have to decide how much shipping cost we have to give for a particular product, or a product more than $10 or $50. So now I will navigate to WooCommerce settings again, and now again click on the shipping tab here, and here we will define the class of the shipping method, and then we will select those class as our different shipping rates. So now friends, you can see this is the link of shipping classes. Here we have to give the price of each classes. So just I am going to create a new class. From here, add shipping class button, you can add a shipping class and give a free cost name. This name is for your own remembrance, and you can give the description of this shipping: free to products more than $15. And now save the shipping classes. Now again I am going to create another shipping class which will for the price which we are going to charge for less than $15. So I'm just giving name amount, and here I will charge to products less than $15, and again click on the save shipping classes button. Now friends, again we have to go to shipping zone, and we have to select those classes in our shipping rate. Now we have to click on this local zone and edit this shipping method. You can see now our flat local zone shipping method is now activated, and you have to click on this flat rate option. And here first of all you have to remove this cost, because it will not work if you enter a shipping classes. So you can see that our amount shipping class is available now in our shipping cost area, and free cost is also available. So here you have to give amount 0 for free cost, and here you have to give amount $3 for amount where you are going to charge with the product less than $15. So click on the save changes button, and now we are going to edit our products, because we have to assign those classes to all our products. So I am going to edit my products, and I will assign those classes. So friends, you can see I have a product with $15. I will add a free shipping cost in this product. So just click on the quick edit link, and when you scroll down below, you can see this is the shipping class option available here. Now you have to select free cost class here, and now it will work for your product. So when you click on the update button, it will be updated. Now I have to give the class that is chargeable to this white shirt product. So quick edit this product and select the class amount, and now click on the update button. Now friends, let's check our shipping cost is working or not. So I'm just going to our shop page, and I'm just selecting this white shirt also, because we have added shipping class in this product. Now I'm just going to remove this blue jeans, and again I'm adding in our cart. So now I have chosen a white shirt and a blue jeans. So now click on the view cart button, and you can see that our blue jeans, which is of $15, is not chargeable for shipping, and white shirt, which is a less than $15 amount, and it is charging $3. So our total amount is 10 plus 15 is a 25, and the subtotal is 25, and after shipping you will get $3 flat rate, and the total price is $28. So friends, similarly you can create more zones, means shipping zone and shipping cost for your shopping websites. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it so that you will get latest notification of videos. And if you have any issues related to this video, you can comment me below. I will help you with that. Thanks for watching my video.